Hey everyone, so today I'm reviewing a new tent that I am stoked to talk to you guys about. This is the ADV tent from Lone Rider, and we're going to jump right into all of the features and my initial opinion right after this. So first I want to give a huge shout out to Lone Rider for sending me this tent to test out. I've been trying this tent out over my last few moto camps, and so far I have a lot to say about it. But first, let's go over the stats and features. This tent is coming in at $430 US, which I think is a good price point for a tent of this quality. There are two color options, one with the maps like this one here, and one without. I like the map feature, but I could really go either way on that. I do like the stealthy colors, which I'll get into in a minute. It also has a ground mat with an SOS written on it for emergencies, which I think is pretty cool. This tent is designed with motorcycle campers in mind and is a two-person tent, which I think would be two people plus some gear comfortably. It's a very roomy two-person tent. It packs fairly large, but is designed to fit in most panniers or can be strapped on the back of the bike. The pack size is 16 by 6 inches or 41 by 15 centimeters. It comes with its own compression sack that has a roadside safety triangle on it. There is also an awning kit for hanging out in the rain, and this gives you a nice space to work without getting soaked. It's also easy to get in and out, and you can sit up to get dressed comfortably inside the tent. The dimensions inside are 39 inches tall by 80 by 48 inches wide, or 100 centimeters tall by 203 by 122 wide. The tent weighs 7.5 pounds, or about 3.35 kilograms. Up here on the top of the tent are some loops you can use to dry out any wet riding gear. There are a few options for setup depending on your weather conditions. Of course, you could use the full cover option, but also just the half fly or the inner tent only. As far as the materials, it feels super durable, and all the seams are taped, so I don't foresee any issues with water getting in. Let's go over the setup process, and then I'll give you my opinion on this tent. Pack size on this tent is a little larger and heavier than I'm used to, but I wanted to switch to a tent that was a little more comfortable considering how many nights I spend in my tent over the course of a year. It packs pretty large too, but I'm storing it on the top of the bike to offset that. And as far as livable space, I don't think I've seen a tent this roomy considering the pack size. There is plenty of space to hang out comfortably in a rainstorm or just get dressed easily in the morning. For durability, I am still testing this out, but I will say the feel of all the fabrics and zippers, they feel super rugged, and I don't foresee any issues with that even with extended use, and I will be doing a long-term review of this later in the year. Ease of setup is top-notch. This tent is really easy to set up alone, even in the wind with it blowing all around like I just had. I love that it's a freestanding tent. This is a feature I was missing with my last tent. I love being able to shake it out in the morning, and I love that I don't need stakes in order to set it up. As far as overall value, I will say this is a bargain for the price. Considering the features you get with it, I think this is well worth the money. I love that it comes with everything you need, including the better style of stakes, which I would have upgraded if it didn't come with those. And everything feels really well put together. There is a lot of attention to detail with storage options and features that definitely cater to motorcycle campers. Anyways, that's it for today. I hope you got something out of this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. There will be a link to the tent down in the description box below, and also a link to my book, The Fundamentals of Motorcycle Camping. Anyways, see you soon.